In front of me is Google Pixel 8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency contacts on this device. You need to begin by going into Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Safety and Emergency. Following that, click on Emergency Contacts and select Add Contact. Then click on the one that you wish to set up and do exactly the same to all the other ones you need. If you want to remove one of your contacts, click on this X next to the one that you wish to get rid of and confirm your choice in the pop-up. You can always click on Reorder at the top right corner and change order of your contacts by dragging them. To save your changes, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!